When troubleshooting the sterilizer, there are three key things you want to be looking for. You want to find the fuse, the starter, and you want to check the light bulb. So you'll find the place to remove the fuse right here at the back. I've already went ahead and taken out the fuse over here, and it's simple as it's in there, and all you have to do is unscrew it. So I'm going to screw it in just to show you what this looks like while it's working. Now that the fuse is back in, what we'll notice is now this light is actually on, and you can see on the inside that there is actually light in there too. It is on in there, it's blue. So we're gonna turn that off, and we're gonna remove the fuse again just to start working. And what the second thing we want to check for, this portion right here. This is the starter for this, and this is as simple to take out as you twist and then you pull. I have the starter out now, and the other thing you can check for, which is very hard to see in here, I will turn this sideways, maybe we can see it, is this bulb up here. If it's seated improperly, we just need to put it back into its space, and then it should just tick right back on. And then we're gonna go ahead and just put our starter back in, lock that in. There's no light if the fuse is not in. So to check this, let's put the fuse back in, and then we're gonna go ahead and remove the starter. So as you can see, the light is on when the starter is not in. So if you're getting a light, that is a good sign that the fuse is not the problem. So we're also gonna go ahead and pull out the bulb. To twist and then pull out, close it up, and we have light again. That means our fuse is not the problem. I'm going to put this bulb back in now, put the starter back in, and it's very hard to tell through this reflection, but you can see that the blue is on and that it is working again. The light is on and we're good. Any replacement parts needed for this device can be found in the description below, and we want to thank you for being a loyal Spawn Equipment customer.